The Mumbai rain is pouring, and I stand here alone, drenched in the storm, but my spirit is stone. The world rushes past like a blur in the night, but I'm finding my way, stepping into the light.
The drops hit the ground with a mocking beat, in the stagnant puddles beneath my feet. The city's grasping fingers try to hold me tight, a dagger of fear through the coldest night.
The silence screamed at me, mocking my goal. Tonight the downpour is cleansing my soul.
I'm building my bridge back to where I belong, turning my weakness into powerful song.
My resilience is higher,
My spirit is fire.
from Mumbai to Bihar.
I'm climbing much higher,
The progress is palpable.
clear to my eye.
I'm carving my path beneath these storm-filled skies.
Yo, 6 months of struggle in the heat and the rain. I'm washing away every shadow of pain. No longer a service tool, I'm the hand that creates. I'm the master of time, I'm the master of fates.
My yearning is heavy, but my steps are now light. Turning the dim past into blinding light. The rain keeps falling, but I'm finally dry, with a fire in my soul that will never die. Progress is power.